Hi, good morning everybody. Today is a brand new day of a new week, Monday. Now the time is about 9 plus in the morning. Where am I right now? Is actually I'm outside the Melbourne CBD. This area is called the Richmond area, Victoria Garden Shopping Centre. So I'm going to explore this part of the city, doing some shopping, some sightseeing on my own, exploring the city. Right behind me you can see these are the newly built condominiums. Maybe if I have the chance, I'll just go in and take a look. Okay, maybe just for fun, for interest, just to know the property prices, get some understanding of the local market. Okay, so this is just only from me, and more updates will come later on as I explore the other parts of the city. Okay, bye. This is just another update from me again. I'm now inside the Victoria Garden Shopping Centre. Well, this is a very huge shopping mall where you can find a lot of stores here, okay? And even a supermarket, anchor tenants like Kmart, IKEA, they're all here. And there are also many eateries, cafes and restaurants. So you can apparently spend half a day or even up to a day here doing a shopping, eating, or even catching a movies, at the cinemas on the upper floor. Well, today is Monday, so it is not as crowded as it is over the weekends. So I'm going to spend quite some time here to do my shopping. And well, I'll let the camera zoom and show you the surrounding ambience. I think it's very nice and comfortable to to be here on a weekday, not so crowded, not so noisy, and yet I can do my shopping at ease. Okay, so more of this will come later on as I continue with my exploratory tour, walk around the city. Okay, bye. Good afternoon everybody, the time now is about 2 p.m. I've just done out my shopping in the Victoria Garden Shopping Centre. So these are some of the things that I bought, and also behind my haversack, so you see I can put it out. Okay, so now it may seem very sunny and warm, but actually there are still a lot of windiness and cool breezes blowing at me, so we are very comfortable in spite of under the sun. So very sure. So right behind me is actually the tram station. I'm not going to take the tram, I'm going to walk further down to a place called Bunnings where I'll get some gardening supplies. Hopefully that it will be a short walk. So more updates will come later on when I reach there. Okay, bye. Everybody, as early for me, I've left Victoria Gardens as what I've mentioned earlier on in my video. So right now I'm walking headwards towards the CBD area, along the North Richmond area. So this place, as you can see from behind me, basically they comprise of shophouses, low-rise buildings. More likely it's in those light manufacturing industry locations. But once in a while you will see attractive things like restaurants, cafes, and even some so-called storage stores or even DIY stores. So I'm going to continue my walk down this direction and I'll provide more updates with you later on. Okay, thank you, bye. Hi everybody, another short update from me again. I'm still in the northern part of Richmond area. Well, what is attractive, what is interesting that caught my attention was the building behind me across the road. It's called the Cho Ben Thanh. So am I in Australia or am I in Vietnam? Ho Chi Minh. I'm surprised to see such a building with this name here. The structure looks quite similar from a glance with the clock tower. Well, I think I will continue to walk downwards and more updates will come later on and let the camera zoom and show you the surrounding areas. Okay, bye. Good afternoon everybody, the time now is about 3:45 p.m. in the afternoon. I'm now at the Collingwood area. This is actually one of the places that's called Bunnings warehouse. I'm going in where they sell a lot of gardening supplies, tools and household items. So more of this will come later on as I'm going to spend some time inside. Hopefully to also get some gardening seeds materials that I will need for my own planting. Okay, so more will come later on when I come up. Okay, bye.